First of all, I joined just over a year ago now, I think, and I'm 79 next month. And I've always had trouble with high blood pressure and things. And I went to my annual clinic the other day, and at the clinic they said, "Oh my God, your blood pressure is 130/70, which is the best it's ever been." So I come here, I use the pool, swim about 3 mornings a week. I do hydrobikes twice a week. I do the Aquafit, Aquafun, and Tom's class, which is probably the hardest, but perhaps my favourite, which is called Fit for Life. One of the things I was told recently, I'd had a bone density scan, is that I'm something called osteopenic, which means that it's the precursor to osteoporosis. But they were saying by doing weight-bearing exercise, this has made a huge difference to bone density. So everything I'm doing, swimming as well because of the support of the water, everything is really good. But the best thing of all is working with weights. So I've loved coming here. It's a really nice place. I've met lots of nice people. Tom is brilliant in his class. We have virtually one-to-one. Although there's 6 of us there, he's watching us all the time. He knows all our different injuries. What can I say? It's a really lovely place to come, friendly, happy, super.